Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on block number 11 of our Sew Quilty Sew and Stitch Along. So we're almost done. We only have one more block after this and then we're on to the finishing. If you missed any of my previous videos, they are all here on YouTube. You can go back and check those out and feel free to join in the sew along. We do have a Sew With Me Facebook group that we are all participating in. It's been so much fun and I will leave that group is open. That's just our fun group where we can post whatever we're working on. So I will leave that up. So if you are joining the sew along or stitch along late, don't worry about it. You can still feel free to post your pictures there after the sew along has ended. If you are sewing along with us now, welcome. I hope you're having a lot of fun and I will be picking some winners when we're all done in a couple weeks here and have some fun prizes to send out for you for that. In the meantime, let's go ahead and jump right in to block number 11. So block number 11 is a lot of fun. It's just a little bowl full of buttons. The buttons are super simple and cute. And then my little bowl here is so fun. Now I used my seed print from my Bloom collection for my bowl. It doesn't stand out as much as I wanted with my background. So if I were to change anything, I might use something a little bit darker here. But I love that print and I was wanting to use it in something, and it's better to use in a larger piece so you can see all of the fun colors in it. So I went ahead and used it for my bowl and I'm okay with it. The buttons are really cute also. You can pick any colors you want. I did green, aqua, and pink. And as far as assembly, the pattern has step-by-step instructions on how to put all this together. So you're just going to want to pay a little bit extra attention on what piece goes where so that you can get these buttons to look like they're sort of overlapping a little bit like that. Nothing too hard on this block, honestly, other than you're snowballing some corners. So as I've said this whole time, you're just gonna wanna square those up as you go so that everything comes together nicely. And then when you're done, you're gonna wanna just square up your finished completed block. So that's it for the button bowl, super easy. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Stitchy version. So here's my little Stitchy bowl. I thought this one was so fun. I loved doing the little buttons. It was so fast too. This one, all of them have been really fast for the Stitchy versions. They're not very large at all. And since we've already done all of the outlining with the borders, then the little pieces stitching are super easy. There are again some half stitches in this one I've talked about in previous videos. I do have a tutorial here on YouTube on how to do that half stitch. It's a half stitch, back stitch, and quarter stitch video, so you can check that out. Or if you're brand new to cross stitch, I also have a how to cross stitch series as well, so feel free to join in. This one's really beginner friendly. Each week's block are super fast and easy. You can finish each one in about, I would say 20 to maybe 30 minutes in an evening, probably less than that depending on how experienced you are. So hopefully you're having fun with your Stitchy version. I know I am. And here is our Quilty version. So that's going to be it for block number 11. We have 2 more weeks of videos coming. We have block number 12 next week, and then we'll have our finishing video after that. So hope you are all having fun. Don't forget to post your progress pics or your finishes if you're ahead of me in our Sew With Me group. And if you're posting on Instagram, make sure to tag me at Erica Arndt so I can follow along with you there. Thanks so much for joining me here on YouTube. I will see you next week for block number 12.